What a perfect place to sit in silence. Although you can hear lots of things, I can hear the birds chirping, and I can hear the wind blowing through the tall grass. But inside my head is where the silence is, where I can slow down all the things I'm thinking about, and I can just pay attention to the sounds that I hear and the smells that I can smell. And if we do our balloon breathing, that will help us focus on that even more. So do you remember how we do it? Put your hands on your belly, and when you suck the air in, your balloon gets bigger. And when you blow it out, your balloon gets smaller. My balloon is purple, like my shirt. What color is your balloon? So let's give it a try. We'll close our eyes so we can see our balloons in our mind's eye. Here we go. Did you do it? Did you see your balloon? Let's do it again. Close your eyes. One more time. Ready? Make it a big one, as long as you can. One more time. Close your eyes. There was a lot of air that time. I bet your balloon was huge. That felt very good to sit in silence. I'm nice